Welcome to WiselyWise virtual course. Artificial Intelligence Master Course for grades 9 to 12. AI is leading the fourth industrial revolution. We are already being impacted by AI in our daily lives. Acquiring AI skills is very critical for students as they pursue higher studies and getting ready for the AI future. Based on this, WiselyWise is introducing an AI master course for grades 9 to 12. In this course, students will learn fundamentals of AI, machine learning, introduction to Python, image classification project using Python, mobile app development, first time ever new concept as maths for AI, and do hands-on projects virtually with the instructor. All students will get access to the AI Master Course on WiseCentral, our AI education platform. From this course, students introduce concepts in artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing. They will also get exposure to Python programming, Python coding, and use to create projects, and learn to develop a mobile app using WiseCentral. After completing the course, student create their own digital portfolio deck, complete 2 projects, get course completion certificate, get badges, and by the end of this course, students will be capable of creating advanced Python programs in artificial intelligence in our AI Guru course. Enroll now to get started in this AI world faster than other.